Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video with Reece Jets. Today we have a Jet2.com flight miniatures model. I really like the picture on this box. I think it's a really cool picture. It's got the Jet2.com logo on the side. And that's about it really. So let's get dived in and see what the model is all about. So this is the actual model. It is really nice. I like it a lot. If you're wondering why it's not on a stand, it's because the stand has snapped. But nonetheless, the model is still in good condition. There's nothing wrong with the model. Yeah, ignore my ugly nails, they're disgusting, I know. But yeah, the model is absolutely superb. Look at that. It says Jet2 Leeds Bradford. The side is really nice as well. It's got good engine detail. It's just a stunning model. It's really nice. The tail is also very nice as well. It hasn't got a registration, but I'm not too bothered about that. The back is also really nice.